Bathroom vocabulary with sentences. Shower curtain. We need a new shower curtain, this one is torn. Toilet. Please remember to flush the toilet after using it. Towel. There are clean towels in the bathroom cupboard. Toilet paper. Could you please refill the toilet paper roll? Hand dryer. The restroom has a hand dryer instead of paper towels. Soap. Don't forget to use soap to wash your hands. Shower. I take a quick shower in the morning to wake up. Sink. I washed my hands in the sink before dinner. Tissue box. There's a tissue box on the bathroom counter. Toothbrush. I need to replace my toothbrush, it's worn out. Shampoo. I need to buy a new bottle of shampoo for the shower.